Hi everyone, welcome back to BioLikeSR YouTube channel. If you are from IT background or planning to enter data field, then today video is extremely important for you because today we are talking about one of the most powerful and fastest growing career in IT industry. That is nothing but Snowflake developer. Many people are used to ask me, who is Snowflake developer? Is this career safe in our Indian country? Does it really have good salary and good job scope? So like this they are asking plenty of doubts nowadays. So in this video I will explain everything. So watch till the end of video. So if you want more technical videos and career guidance related videos, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's talk about what is Snowflake. Snowflake is a cloud-based data platform. Many companies use it to store, manage, process and analyze huge amount of data. I can say in simple words, Snowflake is like a super smart digital warehouse where companies keep all their business data, customer data, sales data, finance data, application data, website data, everything. So big companies like banking, startups, e-commerce, healthcare, fintech, AI companies, everyone using Snowflakes nowadays. I asked out who is Snowflake developer and what are the main responsibilities as a Snowflake developer. He can design data warehouses in Snowflake and he can build the data pipeline and load the data from different sources, and he also used to write the queries and he create the transformations and optimize the performance and he secure the data and he also support the analytics team as well. Okay, in simple word, Snowflake developer converts the raw data into useful business information. Now let us talk about what are the main skills required to become a Snowflake developer. The core skills are like SQL. SQL is very important for any data related IT jobs, and data warehousing concepts, ETL and ELT concepts, data modeling concepts and performance tuning concept. And after having strong knowledge on these core skills, then you have to move to Snowflake specific skills like Snowflake architecture, virtual warehouses, clustering, micropartitions, Snowpipe, streams and tasks, time travel, data sharing, security and roles. So after having strong knowledge on this Snowflake specific skills, then move to cloud knowledge. You can choose either AWS or Azure or GCP basics, not in-depth knowledge, and also storage services and networking basic concept. So after having a cloud knowledge, then better to add some integration tools knowledge like Azure Data Factory or Informatica or Talent or Airflow, anything. And what about programming skills? If you have Python programming skills, core Python programming skills, that is a really added advantage for data engineers. And in case if you don't have Python, then shell scripting basics is enough. But Python is recommended one. And finally, you can have knowledge on Power BI or Tableau or any analyticals layer. Okay, that means data visualization concepts are mandatory for this job role. You may have doubt what is the average salary for this Snowflake developer. I will tell you average salary. For freshers, you can expect to 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Okay, and for mid-level, that means 2 to 5 years of experience candidate, you can expect 8 lakhs to 18 or up to 20 lakhs as well. And above 5 years experience candidate, you can expect to from 20 lakhs to 30 or 40 lakhs as well. So my final conclusion statement is Snowflake developer is one of the best career choice in 2026 and beyond. If anyone interested, you can. So if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you want more career related and tech related videos like this, follow our BioLikeSR YouTube channel. And if you love this information, share to your friends as well. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you.